Mitch from Old Braeswood has a question about a leaky deck.
Thank you for enunciating.
I had to get that right.
Two over 50 guys here. Anyway, his two-story Georgian has it. It's on the second floor.
Mm-hmm.
It's built in 1994. So Mitch writes to us, our upstairs balcony is a slate tiled affair, and it has leaked downstairs into our French door transoms 3 times over 24 years. You want to guess when that was? Allison, Ike, Harvey. Right. So no one seems to figure out where the leak is. So we're thinking we should just retile and start over. He had somebody come out and suggest this pour-on polymer that they could pour on and then carve it up like tile and stuff. And he says it would be more expensive than tiling, Tom, but they guarantee it's waterproof. What say you?
What say I is you need 2 contractors. One is a roofing contractor, which is a waterproofing contractor. And second is the guys that do the floors, and they can work together and have recommendations. I would call Ideal Roofing once you tear it all off. Let them flash it. It's usually a flashing issue. Let them make sure it's all super nice and great because it's a roof. Then, and decide what kind of floor you want on top. Maybe that would be a great walking surface. I have no problem with it.
Yeah.
But the fact of the matter is you got to deal with a roof first.
Yeah, it sounds like the original construction didn't really.
They put tile on.
The thing is, it was built in '94, like he said. It's before some of this polymer technology was in wide use, especially in a balcony. Yeah,
but there were TPOs and there are other kind of roofing stuff. What happens is they skip the roofer.
No, they had a construction.
They skip the roofer. They put some flashing down. They say just put a floor on there, slope it, it'll be fine.
Yeah,
you got to have the roofer involved, which is not a guy that bangs shingles down, although they're fine roofers, I'm sure. A waterproofing expert like Ideal Roofing.
Well, and let's be real clear about that because there are waterproofing companies that will go around and claim to be a one-stop shop for doing that, and it's really 2 different disciplines you're looking at here. The people who are going to do, and it's like you say, it's a roof situation, not a waterproofing thing. So you need a roofer who knows how to do that kind of work.
Yeah, and they have to do custom sheet metal because there's flashing involved, so they have to have all the equipment. It's not just you're putting shingles down, every 5 inches setback and things like that. I won't bore you with that stuff, but anyway.
But you remember we've talked about before about that lady who wrapped her house in saran wrap to keep it from getting wet.
I don't think it was saran wrap.
But you know what I mean. It looked like that.
It was. No wonder it cost $4,000.
Yeah. But they had. I have another friend who will go unnameless who has a business over on North Main.
Oh yeah, we won't name him.
But
just give his address. Nice. You make a lot of friends that way, Charlie.
I'm a popular guy. Anyway, but what they did was they had this waterproofing company come in and they did all this stuff. They took like the TPO stuff up the side of the building and everything. And then wait, it gets better. On the doors, when the doors would close, they were like almost like submarine doors with a seal going around them. They said, "We're not going to flood." They flooded.
You'll never build a boat make a house a boat.
That's right.
Unless it's got Rock Hudson and Sophia Loren. That's Houseboat, the great movie.
That is a great movie.
It is a great movie.
Kind of like the long trailer with Lucille Ball and Rick. Okay.
Yeah, that won't float either.
We got to go. Just start with Ideal Roofing and you'll be good there, okay? You got questions? Send them to us, HomeShowRadio.com. Check our videos here, and please subscribe to our channel.